Hello everybody, got a product here from ANCEL, and it's a battery monitor, and it'll tell you on your charging and all that too. It's basically just a little box here, and it connects through an app on your phone through Bluetooth, and you just take the one side wire here, which is positive, connect it there, and connect the other side to your negative on your battery. And we can go inside here and I will show you on it. This is the app, if you can see it there. It's showing that it's only got 12 volts. We'll go ahead and start it. And now it's showing that it's charging there. And this will also give you notifications every 9 hours on what the battery level is. And it has a cranking test too that it does. We'll turn it back off. And there it showed the level of it as it was cranking. And here's a charging test that you can do. It says start the engine, and I want you to turn off any devices, so your radio and lights or whatever, air conditioning, and turn on the headlights. And I want you to increase the RPMs to 2500. And it shows the charging test is good at 14.33. So not bad. This is a great little device. And it shows on your trip too how long it's been running. But the good part is how it monitors it, and it'll send it back to you and notify you. I got it set so when it drops to 80%, it'll notify me, and at 40%. And abnormal cranking, it'll transmit to you every 6 hours. And it's got the Bluetooth hardware installation and firmware updates, which you'll want to keep it up to date. So I'll put a link down below where you can get these at. So don't forget to like my channel, comment, subscribe, and have a great day everybody. Bye.